Forced vibrations. Forced vibrations occur when an external periodic force is applied to a vibrating body to maintain its amplitude of vibration, which would otherwise decrease due to damping. The damping phenomenon prevents a freely vibrating body from maintaining its amplitude. Forced vibrations are vibrations that occur when a body is subjected to an external periodic force, causing it to vibrate at a frequency different from its natural frequency. Characteristics of forced vibrations include: 1. The body does not vibrate at its natural frequency but instead adopts the frequency of the external periodic force. 2. The amplitude of vibration remains constant with time, but its size is influenced by the frequency of the driving force. 3. If the frequency of the external force is different from the natural frequency of the body, the amplitude of oscillations is usually very small, which die out soon due to the presence of damping forces. 4. If the frequency of the external force is exactly equal to the natural frequency of the vibrating body, the amplitude of oscillations is very large. In absence of damping forces, the amplitude of vibrations at resonance is infinite. Examples of forced vibrations are: 1. When the handle of a vibrating tuning fork is pressed against a table, a loud sound is heard because the tuning fork forces the table to vibrate at its own frequency, producing a louder sound due to the table's large surface area. 2. Wind or vehicles moving across a bridge can induce vibrations in the structure. These vibrations occur because the dynamic forces from wind or moving loads cause the bridge to oscillate. In most cases, these vibrations are relatively minor and do not pose a significant threat to the bridge's integrity. However, under certain conditions, these vibrations can lead to resonance. 3. When a guitar string is plucked on its own, it produces a quiet sound. However, when attached to the guitar's sound box, the string's vibrations cause the sound box and enclosed air to vibrate at the same frequency, amplifying the sound. This process, where one object induces another connected object to vibrate, is called forced vibration. 4. When the needle of a gramophone player moves in the grooves of a record, it produces forced vibrations in the diaphragm of the gramophone sound box. Difference between forced vibrations and natural vibrations. Forced vibrations. Natural vibrations. 1. When external periodic force acts on a body, it produced the forced vibration. When the body gets disturbed during its equilibrium position, it produced the free vibrations. 2. The forced vibration frequency is equal to the external periodic force. The free vibrations always depend on the shape and size of the body, hence it is also called the natural frequency. 3. The forced vibrations are stopped based on the external periodic force. Example: music instruments that have soundboards. The free vibrations are stopped fastly. Example: simple pendulum oscillations.